Hey 3D printer lover! In this video, we're checking out the top 5 best 3D printers on AliExpress for 2025, covering everything from high-speed models to dual-gear extruders, color mixing, and auto-leveling systems. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's a perfect 3D printer waiting for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's break down the features, performance, and what makes each of these printers stand out. Number 1. Sovol SV06 Plus, high-speed, all-metal dual-gear beast. The Sovol SV06 Plus is a larger and faster version of the popular SV06. It features an all-metal hot end, a planetary dual-gear direct-drive extruder, and a rigid build plate ideal for high-temp printing like ABS, PETG, or TPU. This model supports auto-bed leveling and runs on a 32-bit silent board, making it quieter and smarter. Pros: large build volume, dual gear for excellent extrusion, high-temp metal hot end, fast and precise prints, auto-bed leveling. Cons: takes up more space. Setup may take longer for beginners, ideal for serious hobbyists or professionals needing precision and performance. Number 2. Creality Ender-3 V3 SE, beginner-friendly with auto-leveling. The Creality Ender-3 V3 SE is a fantastic entry-level printer with pro-level upgrades. You get sprite direct extrusion, dual Z-axis for stability, and automatic bed leveling, all packed into a compact frame. With an intuitive UI display and reliable components, this is a great pick for those just starting out in 3D printing. Pros: auto leveling plus dual Z-axis equals no wobble. Great for PLA, PETG, and even TPU. Compact and quiet operation. Easy to set up out of the box. Cons: limited to single extrusion. Smaller print volume. One of the best beginner-friendly 3D printers with smooth setup and solid print quality. Number 3. Sovol SV06. All-metal, silent, and budget-friendly. The Sovol SV06 is a workhorse packed with features like a direct drive extruder, all-metal hot end, and 25-point auto-bed leveling. It's powered by a 32-bit silent board, so it's super quiet during printing, perfect for home or classroom use. Pros: excellent value for money, direct drive for flexible filament support, very quiet during printing, strong community support. Cons: smaller than the Plus model, no touchscreen interface, a great budget printer with premium features, ideal for hobbyists who want quality without the high cost. Number 4. Zonestar 4 Extruder Mix Color DIY Printing Beast. The Zonestar 4 1 out color mixing 3D printer supports up to 4 filament inputs through a single nozzle, letting you mix colors in one print job. This printer is great for DIY enthusiasts and artists looking for multicolor or gradient printing. It's large, precise, and fun. Pros: 4-in-1 color mixing head, silent printing operation, DIY-friendly large build area, unique multicolor capabilities. Cons: setup is complex for beginners. Fine-tuning mixing takes practice. The best choice for multicolor 3D printing and creative projects, a fun machine for advanced users. Number 5. Creality Ender-3 New Gen CR Touch Resume Printing Modular Kit. The Ender-3 New Generation features the CR Touch auto-leveling sensor, upgraded V-slot wheels for stability, and resume printing functionality, super helpful for power outages. It also comes as a modular kit, giving you flexibility to upgrade parts later. Pros: CR Touch equals reliable auto-leveling. Resume printing after power loss. V-slot wheels equals stable frame. Easy to upgrade with aftermarket parts. Cons: still uses Bowden extruder. Some assembly required. A solid upgrade to the classic Ender-3, combining reliability with customization potential. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best 3D printers on AliExpress in 2025. No matter what kind of creator you are, artist, engineer, hobbyist, or student, there's a printer on this list that matches your workflow and budget. Quick recap: best high-end performance, Sovol SV06 Plus. Best for beginners, Ender-3 V3 SE. Best budget pick, Sovol SV06. Best for creative colors, Zonestar 4-in-1. Best all-rounder, Ender-3 New Gen with CR Touch. Which printer would you love to add to your workspace? Let us know in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe to Must Have Gadgets, and turn on the bell so you don't miss out on future tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching and happy printing!